Hi guys, how are you? Today our topic of tire art. Today you are watching different colorful tires on the screen. All tires you can use for planting your garden and decorate at home. Different color you can paint on the old tires. Beautiful, colorful. You are watching a plant pot made by the old tires. You are watching the home furniture paint on the old tires. You are watching three step by step, three color tire for planting. You are watching the colorful, beautiful tires used for the decorating. You are watching the tires used as well for garden decoration. You are watching for garden decoration use tires. You are watching the wall hanging and planting flowers. You are watching the garden decoration paint on tire. You are watching the corner rack with tires. You are watching the planted tires colored. You are watching the hanging tire on the tree in the garden. You are watching the cutting tires and colored paint. You are watching the beautiful color design on the tire and planted the flower. You can cut the tires and make flower. You can hang for kids at the garden. You can convert in different characters for decorating your garden. You can cut half the tire and hang anywhere in the room. You can convert your old tires in the furniture. You can decorate different design and different colors and plant. You can hang anywhere in the garden trees for birds. You can convert your tires old. You can convert simple tires. You are watching at the screen for furniture. You can watch the different colors on the tires. You are watching different designs and colors. You are watching another beautiful and unique design color on the screen. You are watching on the screen beautiful color